this session, we add some game sounds for more game effect. Marhaban and welcome back to another awesome session. Now it's time to add some game sounds. We will be using zapsplat.com to download some free sound. Let's begin by going to zapsplat.com. Zapsplat is an excellent source for some free sound effects. If you don't already have a login, create one. It's all totally free to sign up. Once logged in, let's search for some scary zombie sounds. I have a few specific sounds in mind. Start with horror, zombie, groan. I'm looking for groan number 9. Exactly the sound I'm looking for. Click MP3 to download. Next, let's search for atmospheric, horror, drone, very creepy sounds. Click MP3 to download. Now let's search for bright, tuned, metal, mallet. I like this one. And this one. Click MP3 to download. Now let's import the sounds. First, let's begin in the game background music. We will add it to the application component and add a sound component and set the sound asset. Now let's add some zombie sounds. Let's store the sound in the model zombie directory. Simply drag and drop. Find the zombie component and set the sound asset. Don't forget to set the audio play, overlap, and loop checkboxes on both sound assets. Now let's bring in the sound for the crystals. Pick one of the chime sounds for the yellow crystal. Simply drag and drop. Now we will update the instance of the yellow crystal object with the sound asset. Pick the other chime sound for the red crystal, drag and drop. Don't forget to apply the changes to the yellow crystal template so that all yellow crystals are affected. Now let's update the red crystal instance. Don't forget to apply the changes. Now let's see what we got. Oh, nice! Congratulations, you now have some game sounds. We'll do a little bit of fine-tuning in later sessions, but for now, I hope you enjoyed this session. I'll see you next time. Booyah! I hope you found these videos useful. Want to keep watching videos like these? Hit that subscribe and like button below so I can make you more for free. Booyah!